Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan. Nagbabalik ako sa panibagong video. Sana ako maglalaro ulit ng Shawarma Kiosk. Alam niyo naman na nalaro ko na to noong January. Pero ang first gameplay ko talaga siya nung around December. And yeah, may mga bago na inad yung bagong developer nitong game. And yeah, laruin na natin siya. Titignan ko yung mga bago. Ano pa hinihintay natin. So it's the time to play this game. Last na laro ko nito, December. Unang laro ko, December.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the
grill.
Great.
Turn on the grill.
Now open the window. Let
Okay.
everyone... Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules.
So may bago?
They're super friendly, just like we are. And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio.
Okay.
Music keeps the mood up.
Wait lang, wait.
Friendly reminder, don't look into their eyes.
It's more fun that way.
Have a wonderful shift.
Okay, thank you. Pwede ka naman nahimik. So Friday, welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. If a smiling customer comes in, hand him a soda, the wet moving bundle he gives, you must stay still under the counter. Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's the inspection. Exit through the back door immediately. Never look at the shawarma stand during the inspection. Ever. Should the meat sewer postman umungol, turn off the grill and leave. Do not listen to the voices in the meat. They only want to stay. They only want you to stay. If you face this man, serving or never look directly from customer, they serve. Okay. In case, okay.
One shawarma, please, yeah, and make it quick.
Uy, si Tom Shelby.
Feel slow today. Like my brain is floating.
Halata naman, tol.
Give me the warm one.
Yeah. Okay. See, anomaly? Customer logbook. Regular, nothing unusual. So may logbook na tayo ng mga customer. Check natin kung may something off kay Tom Shelby. Wala. I think good siya. Yan. Nasuga basuka. Wait lang. Ito pa pala meat. Nakakamiss din laruin. Ito lang yung pampatagal yung meat pag kumukuha ng meat. Ba't hindi nila in-update na mabilis kumuha ng karne? Roll mo yung shawarma. Parang gusto ko mag-shawarma pero sumasakit na tiyan ko eh.
Shawarma, sir. Enjoy.
Feels better. Bangagang putik. I can finally think straight. Okay.
One
So-
feels better. I can finally think straight.
Wait lang. Okay, di na nakakatakot. So, dito lumalabas si Mahoraga. If tama ako. Dito lumalabas yung pa nagkakamali tayo. Hello po.
One shawarma, please, and make it quick.
Okay.
I'm already late because of work.
Long shift.
Naiiyak ako ah.
Boss kept me overtime again.
Okay.
At least I'll get some food before heading home.
Something else?
Soda.
Okay, I think hindi siya anomaly.
Got it. The soda is 50. Total 200.
So, 150 yung shawarma, 50 yung soda. Presyong 7-Eleven ah. Veggies. Mas isang, ano daw? Isang soda. Pepsi Paloma. Brepsi.
Here's your...
Here you go, sir. Yeah, okay na lahat. Everything's good. Dial. For delivery. May bago? Don't serve anomalous people. Okay. Each mistake summons an inspector. Okay. Camera, camcorder. Ano pa mga bago na pwede i-interact? Salary. Employee of
I
the
work at
month.
the gas station nearby. Give me one shawarma extra sauce. Sure thing, 150.
Extra sauce. Eh di dagdag 25 pesos. Bali, 175. Yan, lagay mo yan. Meat. Paubos na yung meat.
Here you go.
Ha?
Ma'am, better than our vending machine.
Ay, di ko chinek yung CCTV. My bad. Nabas Luis si Mauraga. Pambira. Huh? Ba't napapahinto siya? Hindi yung pedestrian. Oo, minto-hinto siya. Oh. I think may something wrong sa kanya. Oh, jaywalking. Ah, sundalo.
One shawarma and soda.
Liit ang putik.
Long day?
Always.
Ang liit ang putik.
People
People's-
stare, I know. Hard not to when you look this cut.
Understand, total
Total 200. Okay,
Car.
one shawarma and one soda. Isang Pepsi Paloma. Lagay yan dito. All goods. Veggies. And meat. Ubus na yung meat ko. Kukuha na naman ako ng panibago. Wait lang, sir. Mabilis lang to. Mga 30 seconds. May bago. May bagong jumpscare sila. Pambira! Okay. Roll mo yung shawarma. Hindi, dapat kalmado lang.
Here you go.
Here you go.
Thanks.
Welcome!
Keep
Ah! Huh? Uy!
Hi, one shawarma, please.
That's 150.
Okay, lumabas
Thanks. It
pa ng
arrives
konti
all
si Himahuraga. Okay, wait lang. Anong mali ka ba? May mga bago silang update. May... Okay, siya yung nagtitiktok. Matumbok. Okay. Anomaly 4. So, may 51 na anomaly and 38 na client. So, hindi siya normal. Hindi siya normal. Nababaliw siya. Ah! Daming bago. Hindi ko alam paano yun i-off.
Ano, Ami?
Ako pwede to i-off yung TV. Anyari, ba't hindi na pwede i-off yung TV? Okay na? I think. Okay na. Okay na ang lahat. So, Friday the 13th. Friday the 13th. Ang putik. Serve 17 clients for today. Ano oras na ba? It's 11:51 a.m. I mean p.m. 11:51 p.m. So, matagal pa naman mag alas 2 daw ba? Alas 2 ba? Kalimutan ko na. Okay, 2 a.m. nga.
下是 warmer one.
Would you like
Wait lang, siya yung sa ano ah.
Drink.
Siya yung mannequin sa ano.
Drink.
That will be 175.
Sa short, creepy horror story.
I do pay.
Yeah, that's anomaly. Takti, wala naman ganyan kumilos na tao eh. Sige, subukan mo. Sige.
Not serve. No serve.
Yeah, no sir.
I go.
Go. I return. Okay, goodbye.
Return.
Better for. Oh, what does? Okay, jumpscare yan eh.
Evening.
Tomboy!
Quiet night, but something feels off.
What would you like?
What did you like?
One
One shawarma
shawarma
and
and soda,
soda,
please.
please.
Need something warm before the road.
Okay, nakamiyo ba siya? Check natin kung nakamiyo siya. Okay, I think normal naman siya. I guess. Veggies, meat, like ground beef. I don't know if ground beef yung nilalagay sa shawarma pero alam ko hindi siya ground beef. Eh. Ground beef ba to? Pag sinap-chop na, alam ko ground beef na yan eh. I mean, Brepsi Paloma.
Here's your shawarma and soda.
Yung shawarma, sir. Madam,
If
sir.
you're knocking tonight, do not open the door. Good night.
Ano daw? Okay, hindi ko narinig. So, 78,000 yung pera ko. So, what's next? Hello? Wala bang next customer dyan? Kasi minsan nagbabag siya eh, itong game na to. Okay, it's 12:11. Oh, may tao na nga.
One shawarma, please.
Sure, anything else?
Nakakita ko na ba to?
Oh, just that. This face doesn't fit right.
Yeah.
It itches, it always itches.
Nangangati yung laman loob mo?
Mean.
What do you mean?
Nothing, please hurry.
Uy, kumamot ka muna. Pakita mo muna sa akin, kumamot ka. Oh my gulay na yan. Na. Hindi ka makakakuha ng shawarma sa akin.
You didn't serve me. Fine.
Takte, kita yung katawan nyo.
Take it anyway.
Okay.
One shawarma, please.
What?
Sorry, I hope I'm not taking too much of your time. You can take your time, really.
Pwede ko ba makita mukha mo?
50.
Pwede ko makita mukha niya? Ba't sobrang tangkad niya? Yeah, I guess he's normal. Apam? Normal ba siya? O anomaly? Yeah, I guess normal. Yeah, I guess normal. Normal siya. Ba't nanonood ng live tong phone ko? Lagay mo yan. Meat ulit. I mean veggies, cheese. I mean mustard, cheese, as in veggies. Mas roll mo yan.
Here you go.
Here goes, sir. At parang...
Thank you. Sorry if I bothered you.
No, it's okay.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, welcome. Ba't parang may pasa yung kamay niya? Parang pinanuntok niya yung braso niya. Nag-self-defense ba siya or... Ah! Takot. Galing. Kakatato?
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
All right, that will be 150.
Okay, let's check. No, hell no, bro. Attack on Titan! No kasi Ani? Hindi, Colossal Titan to eh. No, hell no. Sa tropa mo si Zeke.
Seriously, you just closed it in my face? I've been starving all day.
No, hell no, bro. Layas! Okay, wala na siya. Sakti, may Attack on Titan dito. May bago silang inad. Ayun na siya. Okay. Okay, may Drunken Master na naman. May Drunken Master. Lasing ang putik. Oh, wala siya sa pedestrian, nakapaa. Normal ba siya?
One shawarma.
Oh, hell no.
Training is nothing without food.
All right, that will be 150.
Lalaki tas boses babae. Daddy na naging body pa.
What? You closed the window before I eat? Can a warrior train without shawarma?
How can I war train shawarma? Bading!
This is a dishonor.
Yeah, get lost. Asya na naman? Ba't huminto sila banda ron? Umutot ba sila saglit o pinipigilan nila tain nila? Kasi ganun ako eh. Kung naglalakad tas natatain na. Hello?
Hey, give me one shawarma.
I trust you
with
with
my
it.
happiness.
Wala akong pake.
Like something to drink. That soda, please. Doctor says I need more joy. That will be 200.
200.
Best investment I will make today.
Okay, wait lang sir. Baka ikaw si Boomer. I think normal siya. Yeah, he's normal guys. Normal siya. Abnormal nga lang yung shape. Mas cheese. Tapos meat. Mas roll. Mas bigay na sa customer. Ah, forgot. Brief si Paloma. All good,
Here's your
sir.
shawarma and soda. Look at that happiness
Nice
wrapped in
work.
lavish. This is a good day.
You mean good night? So, wala nang customer? Ano oras na? Okay, 1:02. 1:02. Ah!
One shawarma, please, yeah, and make it quick.
Si Tom Shelby na naman?
Everything feels slow
Hello
today.
today.
Like my brain is floating. Just give me the warm one.
I guess normal siya. Normal. Uy! Hindi!
Don't do that. I can't think like this.
Huh? Ang bira, ang daming binago, ang daming dinagdag. Okay. Oh, umihinto sila dun, oh. Nagpipigil sila ng tayo nila. Okay, mukhang masaya siya. Sino ba yan?
One shawarma.
Si Robin? Robin na boses lalaki?
Long day.
Nico Robin.
My head hurts. Keep feeling pressure on one side.
Okay, si Nico Robin
That's 100.
na boses lalaki. Bayad ka na, dali. Thank you. Nagtitweak siya, nagtitweak. Uy! Uy! What the heck?
I waited long enough.
Si Elastic Man! Sa Fantastic Four! Chismoso! Chismos! Chismosa? Chismoso. Tumitingin kami para sa CCTV. Nakinood. Okay, live yun na. Tapos may bago. Is that Krampus? Si Krampus ba to?
Dirt, anything else? Alright.
Alright. Watch the door. Snow is falling. You won't even notice when it's open. Nag-T-pose. Oy, 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 oy. Hala. Oy! May customer na pala. Paragis na yan. Oy!
Make it fast. No grill. No onions.
Sure, 100.
Sure, that 150. Let's check. Normal siya. Normal siya, guys. Hindi siya yung sumisigaw. Ang kati ko. Hinahanap ko girlfriend ko, hindi ko makita. Ay, ayun pala siya, nanonood pa. Kala ko nag-leave siya. Hinahanap ko, nasa pinakailalim pala siya eh.
Good.
Good, keep it up. Thank you, sir. Appreciate. Ted. Okay, madaming lamok. So, I guess, okay na yun. Like, yun yung customer ko. Alas 2 na ba? Hindi, 1:33 pa lang. Okay, may isa pa. Okay, hintayin natin siya. Hindi sila lumalakad sa pedestrian lane eh, no?
One shawarma.
Ba't ang dumi ng damit nyo?
Grill it. I like it soft. Alright, that will be 150.
Alright. Wait lang, sir. Anong trabaho mo, sir? Mekaniko? O nag-ROTC ka? I guess normal. Okay. Kulang ng karne. Wala na pala akong karne. Pambira. Ah! That di na Kuha na ng karne. That automatic na. That mabilis na to eh. Ang patagal lang to pagkuha ng karne. Okay. Cheese. Meat refilled. Okay. Cheese. Then veggies. And meat. Everything's good. All goods.
Here you go.
Please. Please don't.
Perfect, just how I like it. I have a proposition
Position for you. I have a proposition. What? Will you eat my booger? Okay. Kulangot. Will you eat my booger para sa 1,000? Kainin ko kulangot mo na. Hell na. Sa'yo na yan. Kainin mo na rin kulangot mo. Okay, may jump scare sa taas. Dami nila! Uy! Baba ka dyan! Ba't may badyaw dito? Uy! Luz! Hala, nagbubukas yung pinto. Papasukin ako ni Krampus. Ako puwepitan at... No.
One shawarma, please, and make it quick. I'm already late because of work.
Lalaki ka... Babae ka lalaki. Gender reveal nga.
Boss kept me overtime again. At least I'll get some food before heading home.
Something else?
Soda.
Pwede ba siya mag-gender reveal?
The soda is 50, total 200.
I guess normal siya. Ewan ko kung ganyan talaga mukha ng babae. I mean, mayo, cheese, and veggies. And also meat. Soda. Oy, soda. Soda. Delivery, okay. I think need ko mag-deliver. 555-145. 555-245.
We're sorry, your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and try again.
Okay, 555-145, okay. 555-145. I mean, mali. 555-145, okay.
What would you like?
Supplies unavailable. What? Di, wag. Wala na akong ano. Wala nang soda. Ba't hindi ko mag-grab to? Ba't hindi ko mag-grab yung soda? I guess pagtapos... Okay, meron na pala.
Here's your...
My bad.
Good.
What? Uy, alis dyan. Oh, may gulay. Ano mali yun? Okay, si Mahuraga, umaakit na siya. Wala dito si Zuko na. Okay, sabi ko na nga ba eh. Anomaly yun kasi mukhang lalaki, tas boses babae. Pero ba't ganun? Hindi ko naman din alam.
One shawarma, please.
Hi?
Late dinner?
For me, yes, my kids already ate, but I skipped.
Can cook after today. That's 150.
150.
Uy. Normal ba to? Alam ko hindi eh. Stuck between saraduhan or bigyan. Okay. Yeah, I guess mutant siya. Sa X-Men siya. Nararapat. Please lang. Please, wag ka umakyat. Please lang.
Wonderful kids are fed. I only wanted something small for myself. And even that I can't get. What a joke.
Please lang. Oh, anomaly. Okay, anomaly. Anomaly siya. Sumakit batok ko ah. Okay, pataas ng pataas yung snow sa kalsada. Inspection na ba? Inspection na? Ah! Hintayin lang natin matapos yung inspection. Okay, wala na siya. Uy! And si Krampus nag-aabang yan dyan sa labas. Si Mauraga nakabantay. And yan, may dinagdag silang detail kahit papaano yung mga building sa harap. Alam ko kasi dati puno lang yun eh. Galing nung gumagawa nitong game na to eh, no? Ah! Katakot! Okay. So, ano pa pwede order natin? 555 125. I mean, yeah. 555 125. Oh! Okay, 145 pala. 555 145. Hello?
What would you like to order?
Camera? Decorations? Kebab? Bell? And camera? Place order?
Wanted to order Bell camera.
So, na-upgrade na rin ko na pwede na tayo mag-customize pala.
Thanks for calling us.
Ano ba itong mga customer ko?
One shawarma. Come on, make it fast.
Sure, that will
Hindi yan normal. Hindi yan normal. Taragis na yan, bibili ka sa mga store tapos sumasayaw ka. Tarantado. Tado. Eh, buksan mo. Ano yung delivery natin? Ah! Opo. Ay, sarado lang muna natin yan. Please, please. Alam ko anomaly siya. Please lang. Wag ka babangon.
Seriously? I come here hungry and you shut
Shut the window.
Unbelievable.
Hoy! Normal? Sumasayaw? Hindi ba yung abnormal? Okay, lapitan. Labasin natin siya. Okay, ito yung kambal niya. Ito pa yung isa. Hoy! Hindi ko nagulat dun sa isa, pero nagulat ako dun sa... Okay. What does it mean? Press E for night vision. Oh, okay. Okay, maangas. Ang ganda-ganda.
one shawarma, please.
Late dinner?
For me, yes. My kids already ate, but I skipped. Thought cook after today.
That's one.
Body na, naging daddy pa. Hell no. Okay, please na, huwag ka bumangon. Please, 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 please. Alam ko anomaly yung boses lalaki. Uy, Mauraga. Uy! Uy! What?
And even
Ano?
that I can get. What a joke.
Anomaly yun ah! Uy! Oh my gulayari ako kay Mauraga. Ay, si General Mauraga. Anomaly?
I can feel my head. One shawarma, please.
Wait lang, ang sabi dito? Is a faceless man comes to order, serve him but never look. Okay, faceless man yun eh. Siya, headless. Sabi kasi sa, may customer kasi dito na faceless man. Ay, no, ito siya oh, yung bilog. Ito siya. Okay, headless siya. Tol, masakit pa ulo mo, tol? Sabi ko nga. Please lang. Hanggang tumayo.
I've only lost my head.
Lost my head. Hanapin mo kung saan mo na...
Still eat.
I can still eat. Yeah. All goods. Ano yun? Okay, wag kang babangon. Please lang. Wag kang babangon. Nakabangon na nga eh.
2 shawarma and soda can. Not grilled, please.
Anomaly. Anomaly. Wait natin magbayad. 350. Thank you. Anomaly yan, oy. Mauraga, anomaly yun. Tandaan mo. Dalawa sila kambal. Yung isa hindi nakikita. Pag ikaw tumayo.
In here, and you slammed the window. What is wrong with you?
Okay. Okay. Naintindihan niya ako. Guys, napapakinggan ako ni ano. Ni General Mahoraga. Uy, okay kami. Okay kami. Nakanganga ba siya? Inspector ba yan? Ba't mukhang chicharon bulaklak yung muka? Kamukha niya nga si Mahoraga talaga.
Hi, 1 shawarma, please.
Oh, babae. Boses lalaki.
350. Great, thanks. It already smells.
Tol,
amazing.
gender reveal ka nga. Wait, pwede mong gender reveal ka? Please lang. Hindi ko alam kung anomaly ka o hindi. Boses babae. Ay, boses lalaki. Ayoko, hindi ko siya pagsaserban. It's between you or him. Oh, bakla siya. Nasa kanilang dalawa eh. It's o siya or si Mahoraga. Nah, I'm gonna close the window. Please lang, huwag ka tumayo, please. Please lang.
Seriously.
Tatakbo palabas.
Wait,
Uy, gagi,
you
biglang
mean
nag-respawn.
shawarma. And the window closes right in front.
Alis. Ah! Continue the shift. 1,000. What? Nabuhay ako? Hoy! Bruce Willis? Jason Statham? O si Bruce Willis? Hala! Bakit meron agad? Anak ka naman ng tipaklong talaga, oo.
2 shawarma, no grill.
Got it. 300.
Oh, umulan. So, 254. Wait lang, sir. 2 shawarma daw hinihingi niya kasi may nakakapit sa kanya. May badyaw na nakakapit sa'yo, sir. Akala ko sa jeep lang yan kumakapit. Pati rin pala sa tao. 2 shawarma, I was about to order. Oh, kasi bibigyan mo yung badyaw dyan sa tabi mo eh. Okay, wala na siya. Ha? Okay, medyo creepy. Umuulan. Umaambon, buti ba dito umaambon? So wala na tayong customer kasi takti nakapek-pek short.
1 shawarma, please.
Lalaki tapos boses babae.
Coffee, company, coffee.
That will be 175.
Okay,
I'm paying now. Hey lang, sir. Normal ba siya? Hindi, di siya normal eh. Di siya normal. Di ko alam kung saserban ko o hindi. Ano ba yan? Parang tanga. Abnoy. I think hindi siya normal. Hindi siya normal. Please, please, please. Wag ka tumayo. Wag ka tumayo. Please lang.
You, not serving me. Here, I have to get out. Something is
Still wrong.
I will return again.
Okay, hindi siya tumayo. Okay, hindi normal. Anomaly yung lalaking yun. Anomaly siya. Open na natin ulit. Ba't pati sa, umuulan? Ba't pati sa loob?
Alright, that will be 150.
Normal ba siya? Buti naman naging umaga na. Umuumaga. Normal siya, normal siya. Normal siya. Kapag bebentahan ko. Roll mo. Okay na te. I mean, yeah, I forgot something. Oh. Dalawang shawarma ba? O hindi? Forgot something. What do you mean? Huh? Pwede ba umorder ako ulit? 5. Umorder ba ako? Dapat ako ng...
What would you like to order?
Wala nang Pepsi Paloma. I forgot something. Paano ako makakuha ng Pepsi? What? Oh, may kape na rin. May dinagdag sila. Okay, kape. Oh, so may dinagdag silang kape. What? Uy! Ay, may dinagdag sila. Bago, kapesino. May bago silang dinagdag na kape. Kasi last na gameplay ko nito is December pa. What the Ay, show speed?
Sir, would you like something to drink?
Yes, a coffee, please.
That will be 175.
Here you go.
Okay. Si Ultron, si Terminator.
I forgot my skin.
What? Anyari sa game ko? Okay. I know him. Siya si ano? Sino to?
Okay, that will be 300.
Sa Death Note? Hindi ko siya pagsaserban. Pero let's try. Gusto ko subukan ulit. Gusto ko makita kung paano ako mamatay sa kanya. Pero yeah, mabubuhay si Mahoraga tatayo Pero gusto ko subukan ulit kung paano niya ako patayin. Kilala ko siya. I forgot. Soda. Nope, coffee. Kasi yung Sino nga to? Basta yung bida sa Death Note. Si Nanami. Ay, hindi si Nanami. Sa Jujutsu Kaisen pala yun. What? So, dalawang order para sa'yo? Wait lang, sir. Dito matahimik tong mga badyaw. Oh, may jumpscare to eh. Na. Okay, dalawang order para sa kanya. Admit. Oh. Okay, dalawang order para sa'yo, sir. Sino nga to? Nakalimutan ko yung name niya. Basta, nanonood ako ng... May I get your name? Of course. Yes, of course! Why would you need my name? Department. You are assigned. Police of Department.
And due to several complaints in this area,
Full name.
I have to get your full name for further identification. Here's a note for you. Please write your name here.
Ito na yun. Evict note ang putik! Yan, bahay ni Kuya. Pinoy Big Brother. I'm dead.
Yes! That's it!
20 more seconds. Oh. Oh, may gulay. And I'm dead. Evict note ang putik. Ayaw makapiright nung gumawa nitong game eh. Kaya ginawa niya evict note. Okay. Turn off the grill. At lumabas ng bahay. Okay. May badyaw sa likod. Okay, CCTV. Wait lang. Hoy. Ah! Okay na yung grill. Hindi na sumasayaw. Hindi na sumasayaw yung yung karne. Tawag ng laman. So, umuulan din sa loob.
Stop one shawarma and dessert.
Will be 200. Make it quick. I'll have all day. Wait lang, sir. Huwag ka magmadali. I-check ko pa nga kung anomaly ka o hindi eh. Wala, hindi ko makita yung cursor ko. Asa yung cursor ko? So, I guess normal siya. Normal siya. Add sauce. Bimbap. Boom. Bap. Here you go. I-roll natin yan.
This is taking too long.
Huh?
Can I have my money back, Slowpoke?
No, sorry. We don't do refunds around here.
Oo nga.
What kind
Kind
of
of policy is
that?
that? Bobo naman ito.
You'll
Ano yung
regret
free taste? Urur! Oh. Okay. Okay, si General Mauraga tumatayo na naman. What the heck is that? What the heck? Naka-T-pose! Okay, faceless man. Handy, masoda. Tama ba? If a smiling customer comes in, having... No. Magsiserve tayo na hindi natin siya tinitignan sa mukha. One? What do you mean one?
shawarma.
Ah, may one hole ka sa mukha. Is that asshole? Okay.
Hello, that will be 100.
Hindi natin siya titignan.
Please make the payment.
Okay. Hindi natin siya titignan. Admit. Tawag ng laman. Okay na. Here you go, sir. Welcome, sir. Okay, di na natin siya titignan. Okay. All goods. Everything's good. Okay, wala na tayong customer. Kasi malapit na mag alas 4. Mag alas 6.
One shawarma.
Pulis ba siya na naka-boxer lang?
Haven't eaten all day. You hear that buzz? Just here. Never mind. It stops when I look.
Pulis ka ba?
All right, that will be 100.
Ba't ka nakapalda? Pulis-pulisan ka ba? Okay, pulis-pulisan siya. What the heck? Ikaw ba yun? Anong mali ba to? Kailangan hindi ko makita yung cursor ko. Asa yung cursor ko? Yung cursor ko. I guess normal siya. Pero bakit siya nakapalda? Bading? Pulis na bading? Please lang, I hope normal ka. Please lang. Please lang. Huwag ka tumayo, please lang.
Smells stronger than usual. Guess that means it's fresh.
Yes, it's fresh, sir. So, hindi siya tumayo. Okay. Kuha tayo ulit ng meat. May jumpscare yan. Na-immune na ako. So, kuha ka ulit ng meat. Ba't ganun? I-update nila yan eh. Mabilis na kumuha eh. Uy! Takti. May tumitingin siya sa cellphone. Naka-iPhone 17 Pro Max siya. Excuse me.
One shawarma and coffee.
Wait lang, madam. Check ko lang kung...
PH, doctor's appointments, then shopping. My feet are killing me.
Understand, total 175.
I'll pay by card.
Ano yung cellphone niya? I guess normal siya. Mukha siyang teacher eh. Teacher ko ng mga elementary. Naka iPhone 17 Pro Max nga siya. Galing naman nag-update nitong game na to. Oy, coffee. Wait lang po, madam. Pabangon na ulit siya. Please, 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 please. Here you go.
Here you go.
Finally, at least you don't
Mess around like the others. Welcome. Even if, kahit hindi ikaw nag-thank you. Malapit naman matapos shift ko. Tagal pa. 2 hours pa. 1 hour and 30. Okay. So, 1 hour and 20. Hindi na. Saan pa yung iba? Hanapin ko yan. Meron niya sa labas. Wala. Ano ba akong customer dyan?
Hey, one shawarma, please.
Sure,
That will be
that'll
150.
150.
Here you go.
Wait lang, sir. Check ko lang kung normal ka ba? Wait, di ko makita cursor ko. Anyari? Yeah, I guess normal siya. cheese, then veggies, then meat. Here you go, sir. Ano yun? Hindi, tayo lang ata yun.
Here you go. Oh, thanks.
Oh, thanks.
Have a good one.
Have a good day. What?
Hey, what did you just do? Why did you throw it at the window? Sorry. It just slipped.
What?
Don't run. Help me clean this up.
Takbo sa gubat?
Ugh.
Ag! Clean up. Okay, kunin natin yung shawarma, tapos pwede natin siya ibenta ulit. Pwede pa yan, pwede pa yan. Ba't ako papasok dyan? Oh, bro. Diri. Alis ba yan? Oo, umalis nga. Thank you. Siya ba nagre-refill ng karne dito? So, 5. Ilang, ano na lang? 54? I mean, 53. 53 minutes bago mag alas 6. Please lang, patapusin niyo na ako sa shift ko.
One shawarma, please. It's too quiet tonight.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay,
150.
click make
Please
the payment.
payment.
Okay. Well, let's check. Excuse me. Wait. What? Ay, di ko makita cursor ko. Yeah, I guess normal siya. Normal siya. Hindi siya abnormal. Here you go, sir. Oh, tumutugtog nga yung pag nag-wrap na tayo ng shawarma. Wrap. Ah, tayo na ready.
Thanks, at least someone's awake.
Ha? Oh, yun yun. Reindeer. Siya ba si Krampus? Siya ba si Krampus kanina? Siya ba yung zombie sa Tren to Busan? Oh, hell no, bro. Tumayo. What? Uy! What the heck? Na hell no. Hoy, baba! Please lang. Ang tagal, 5:17. Reindeer. Siya ata yung naging infected na hayop sa Tren to Busan. If napanood yun yung Tren to Busan. Siya yung reindeer doon. Puti yung mata. Nagpula nga lang. Iba ata yung nabili niya eh. Sa amin sa balot. Iba ata yung nagbebenta ng balot.
So what would you
I mean,
like to
nung nagbebenta ng balot, ibang asin na bigay niya.
Charlie, if you have cheese, fix
What?
What?
Be off Pedba.
Kasi-
See, Fitzcamping Telft Kargen CH out.
She's speaking Japanese. Annyeonghaseyo.
Sinji, T Gen GA
Ano yung mga shooting star? Okay, your name. Kimi no Yawa. Daming wish. Hindi ka mag-wish. Okay, 5:28. 32 minutes.
Evening.
Detective?
Evening. It's
It's quite fascinating night, is it?
not?
Yes, it really is.
Yes, it is.
Those shiny stars falling are actually space rocks called meteoroids.
Atmosphere.
When meteoroids go into the atmosphere, the air gets so hot that it makes them glow. That's why we see shiny lines of light in the sky.
That is really cool. What would you like to order to eat?
Okay, di ko talaga magamay. Di ko makapa yung...
I have a night of watching these wonderful meteoroids ahead of me.
Talks a lot siya. Talks a lot. Here you go, sir. So, scientist siya. Siya ba yung umakyat? Sir, ikaw ba yung unang nakatapak sa araw? Ano siya eh? Nasa ata siya nagtatrabaho eh. I think siya nga yung unang nakatapak sa araw, guys. Hindi ko lang alam. Go get that coffee. Bigyan mo sa kanya. Here you go.
Here's your shawarma and
Coffee.
Thank you. The warmth of the coffee will make this night even better.
Watching
Watching
meteors with a hot drink feels perfect.
Have a peaceful shift.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate that. So, matino siyang tao. Kasi, naglalakad siya sa pedestrian eh. Ah! Okay, layo niya na. So, ilang minutes na lang.
One shawarma, please.
Sure thing, go ahead and pay when you're ready.
Wait lang, ano mali ba?
Is that your cat?
Oh, he just follows me. People say he's got a face on his back.
If you look closely, yeah, I can see it.
Don't look. They say anyone who stares at that face dies.
Got it.
I didn't see anything.
See a thing.
Ano, mali ba siya? I think. No. May pusa siya eh. Kasi ang pusa, guys, nakakita yan na hindi natin nakikita. Tama ba pagkasabi ko? I mean, meron yan nakikita na hindi natin nakikita. I mean, may nakikita tayo na nakikita may nakikita tayo na hindi natin nakikita. What? I mean, yung pusa, may nakikita na hindi natin nakikita. Okay. Here you go, madam.
Here you go.
Finally, smells amazing.
Yeah. Welcome. Hello, Monique! So, hindi bumangon si Mauraga. So, ilang minuto na lang. Okay, 12 minutes bago ako mag-end shift. Please, last customer. Need ko ng last customer bago. Siya yung last customer ko, guys. Siya yung, if a smiling customer comes in, hand him a soda. Okay. Hand him a soda. Take. Put it. Okay, pumiyok pa ako. Put it under the counter. Open it. Kasi pag in-open natin yan, pasabog yan eh. So, put it under the counter. I mean, last customer pa. 2 minutes. Oh, ayan yun na yung last customer ko. Pipigil pa ata ng tae.
A1 shawarma and a soda.
Nakasmart kang putik.
Sure, that'll be 200.
Tol, kamukha mo si Ryan Gosling.
Just a moment, it will be ready. All right, gang. Exam 29. Playing in the daytime. When are you scared of the dark? I can cut your internet any moment, Del. Believe
Okay,
me.
cut you.
Watch.
La. Ah. Oo nga pala nangyari ito ilang beses na.
Just kidding.
Nakasama mo ah. Sit ng bato ko. So last customer siya, I guess. Tapos na ang shift ko. Oh. 1 soda. Brepsi Paloma. Here you go, sir.
It's still hot. Thanks, but you got it wrong. Hey, Inspector, you there?
Uy! Ba't mo pinabangon? Ba't ka bumangon? Ano to? Stranger... Uy, baba. Ito, Stranger Things na naman. Like may malulutang na katawan. Yeah, Stranger Things nga. Hindi. Ano to eh? Welcome to Derry. Eat. Si Pennywise. May kagagawan yan. What the frick? Ano yun? Okay, sasabihin niya lang ako. Boss. I guess I need to close. I guess. Sir. Please, 6:00 na. Please, 6:00 na. Akala ba tapos na yung shift ko pag 6? Or 8 pa ata? Siya na naman?
Hey, Eggplant 29, it's me again. I'm not going to order anything.
Okay.
But I like you, so
So,
I'll give you
give you a
a
tip.
tip. If you have enough money. You can buy off the inspector from the floor right in this icon. See you later.
Wala akong pake, di ko naman hiningi opinion mo eh. Ah, nire-refilan niya nga yung shawarma. Yung karne. Okay. I guess 8:00? Yung tapos natin? Ba't ang haba naman shift natin? Oo nga. Si Michael Myers pa pala.
Hello, what would you like to order?
Hindi siya magsasalita. Okay, sasaraduhan natin siya. Please, please. Hindi siya makakapasok dito. Close ko naman eh. Hello? Ba't tumidilim? Ah! There you are. Si Lolang naka-dolphin na short. Naka-dolphin short daw. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya. Ayan na siya, ayan na siya. Dali, 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 dali. Uy! Alis. Ayun na siya, nandiyan na sa harap. Ba't kamukha niya, ano? Statue of Liberty. Ayun, yung nasa ulo niya. Close? Okay, wala na siya. Okay, wala na nga. So, 6:49. Ang tagal. Yeah, I think 8 yung tapos nito eh. Kala ko lang sa East. Parang 5 Nights at Freddy lang. Okay, nagtitaekwondo pa pala. Parang baliw. Kimukha niya si Wukong, Monkey King.
Hiya, one shawarma. Training is nothing without food.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Alright, that will be 150.
Oh, mayayari ako sa girlfriend ko. Inantok na ako. So, with that, bigay yan. Yeah, sir, kalma, sir. Kalma. Wala kang kaagaw. Ano yan, putik?
Here you go.
Also, with this shawarma, I reached
King
true
Rich True
strength.
Strength. Kapatid mo ba yun? Okay, congratulations. Your shift is over. So, 7 yung tapos. Congratulations, your shift is over. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Natapos din. Pambira. So, yun lang. I hope nag-enjoy guys panibagong video. And yeah, may mga konting update, mga major update. Like yung sa cellphone, may bagong anomaly, reindeer, tapos si Krampus, then may iba't iba pa. And also, may jumpscare na rin once na naubos yung shawarma mo. Marami na rin siyang jumpscare. Like, may jumpscare siya pag kukuha ka. And also, ang daming jumpscare ng badyaw. So, yeah. Maraming salamat sa panonood. I hope nag-enjoy guys sa panibagong video. Kita na lang tayo sa next video, guys. Maraming salamat. Don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you sa inyo. Bye-bye.